Everybody, Jay here with Rogers Motor Cars. Today we've got one of the most desirable SUVs on the market right now. This is a 2025 Lexus GX 550 Premium Plus. This one has 299 miles. It's brand new. Very nice with the tuxedo wrap, top and bottom blacked out with the pearl white paint. 22-inch Boston wheels have been added to this one with the 2-inch Westcott kit. You see a lot of people doing on these. Brand new BF Goodrich all-terrain KO3s. Still have the needles on them. We have all the keys for this one. 2 fobs plus the card key. It's in mint condition. Clean Carfax, obviously. Clean title. Got carpet mats here in the back with the cargo net, all brand new, still in the plastic. Got the cargo cover. There's a third row, it does fold down. We've got all weather mats that are already placed inside. This one's got the 4-zone climate, so you've got controls back here for climate control, heated seats in the back. Sunroof. This is the black, solid black interior. Some of them have two-tone. Very clean, smells like a brand new car in here. There's no wear and tear. Everything's ready to go. Heated, cooled seats. It's got adaptive cruise control, heads-up display. It's got the 360 view camera system, CarPlay, Android Auto. Very nice, black trim, black mirrors. Again, 299 miles. It's a 6 to 8 month waiting list for a new one. Very, very pretty. Give us a call, text, email. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country. Could do deals long distance very easily through email, text message. If you need financing, we have some options. If you have your own financing, that's not a problem. We can accept that as well. Cash deals, we do trade-ins. Very pretty, mint condition, not a scratch or a dent on this one. So I hope to hear from you. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. We also post a lot on Instagram. That's Rogers_Motorcars. If you want some more pictures or information, just reach out. Very easy to get a hold of. So that'll be it on this one. Thanks for watching the video and hope to hear from you soon.